Ever feel like your to-do list is a tangled mess of tasks, deadlines, and subtasks? You open it with good intentions, but by the end of the day, it looks more like a war zone than a productivity tool. We've all been there, juggling projects, managing teams, and keeping track of everything can be overwhelming. That's where project management software comes in. These platforms aim to streamline your workflow, keep everyone on the same page, and hopefully, prevent that feeling of drowning in to-dos. One of the most popular options is Monday.com. But what if you're just starting a small business, working on a personal project, or simply don't have the budget for a paid subscription? There are actually quite a few free project management tools out there that offer similar features to Monday.com. Today, we'll dive into some of the best free alternatives, explore what makes them tick, and help you find the perfect fit for your needs. The Monday.com breakdown, a glimpse into features. Before we jump into the free alternatives, let's take a quick look at what makes Monday.com so popular. This will give us a good baseline for comparing the free options. Monday.com uses a visual approach to project management. It's built around boards, which are essentially customizable dashboards where you can organize tasks, deadlines, and team members. Each board is divided into columns, which can represent different stages of a project, team members, or any other relevant category. Monday.com also offers a variety of features like drag-and-drop functionality, file sharing, automation, and integrations with other popular tools. This makes it a powerful option for teams of all sizes. Free alternatives to Monday.com. Diving into the options. Now, let's explore some free project management tools that offer similar features to Monday.com, but with a price tag of $0. Trello. The OG of visual project management, Trello uses a Kanban board system similar to Monday.com. You create boards, list after list within each board for different stages of a project, and then move cards, representing tasks, between lists as they progress. Trello keeps things simple and intuitive, making it a great option for beginners and small teams. Asana. This popular tool offers a powerful combination of list and board views, giving you more flexibility in how you organize your tasks. Asana allows you to create subtasks, assign dependencies, and track project progress in real time. It's a good all-rounder for teams who need a balance between structure and flexibility. ClickUp. ClickUp is a feature-rich platform that might take some time to master, but it offers a ton of value for the free plan. Here you can manage tasks, projects, docs, chat, and goals all in one place. ClickUp offers multiple views, automation, and integrations with popular tools like Google Drive and Slack. Notion. More than just project management, Notion is a true workspace powerhouse. It lets you create everything from to-do lists and Kanban boards to wikis, databases, and even personal knowledge bases. Notion's free plan offers plenty of features and customization options for individual users and small teams. Airtable. This spreadsheet on steroids platform is a great option for teams who love the power of spreadsheets but need a more visual way to manage projects. Airtable allows you to create bases, similar to spreadsheets, with custom fields and views. You can organize data, track projects, and collaborate with your team in a familiar spreadsheet format. Choosing the right free alternative for you. The best free project management tool for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Here are some questions to consider. Team size. Do you need a tool for yourself or a small team? Project complexity. Are you managing simple projects or complex workflows with dependencies? Desired features. Do you need specific features like time tracking, automation, or integrations? Learning curve. Are you comfortable with a simple tool, or do you want advanced features even if it takes some time to learn? Exploring the features. A quick comparison chart. Consider adding a simple table here comparing key features like boards, lists, tasks, deadlines, automation, integrations across the mentioned free tools. Remember, the free project management landscape is constantly evolving. New tools are popping up all the time, and existing ones are adding new features. Don't be afraid to experiment and find the tool that works best for your workflow and budget.